Today we will talk about horizontal sorting in Excel, which means column sorting. If you have data like this, it's quite small, so many people will simply use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy-paste, which is a favorite shortcut for many. Or they will use the transpose function. First transpose, then vertical sorting, and then transpose again to bring it back to its original form. And their sorting is done. But I will show you how to do horizontal sorting. First, select the data using Ctrl+Shift+down arrow, then right arrow. Your columns are now selected. Now press Alt+D+S. The Sort dialog box will appear. Click on Options, then select Sort left to right. Keep this checkbox selected and click OK. Now, select your row number. Here it's row 1. Choose the order such as A to Z and click OK. Now you can see that all your columns have been sorted horizontally. How did you like this trick? Let me know in the comments.